How to view Apple ID password on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app. Here we go. At the top, you will see your Apple ID. Open it. Now, head towards the option of iCloud. Open it. Different options will appear. Click on this option of Show All. Under Apps using iCloud, you will find the option of Passwords and Keychain. Open this option. Now, toggle on for this option of Sync this iPhone. Once enabled for this option, head back to the main page of Settings. Now, scroll down, find the option of Passwords. Once you find it, open it. Now, your Face ID will be enabled, or you'll need to type in your iPhone's passcode. With that, you will land to this page. Now, over here, you're going to find the password of your Apple ID. You'll just need to click on your Apple ID. And here is the password. All you have to do is click on it. With that, you will be able to see your password. Well, this is how you can easily view Apple ID password on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.